So as I've shown you earlier, I'm from harvesting my tomatoes. We always do this like on weekly basis. Yeah. So now I'm going ahead and wash it, and I will go ahead and wash the tomatoes. Yeah. Yeah, so in the morning I did nilikuwa na ngoa some weeds. Yeah. Hizi zenye tulikuwa tumepanda, and then rain came, jua ikakuwa moto, and then they start drying up. So nilikuwa na ngoa some weeds like this. Nilingoa asubuhi. Some weeds are here, nilizingoa. So for the garden, we were planning on stop planting them kwa ground hivi, because ukipanda hivi na consume a lot of water, considering Kitengela is very bit dry. Yeah, so tulikuwa nataka this time round tukianza kupanda tuzieke kwa machupa. So first, before that, nilikuwa na prepare kiasi, nikangoa some weeds. These are some weeds zenye nilingoa. Right here kulikuwa na dania, hapa ndo tulikuwa tumepanda dania, but zikakauka juu ya jua, was too hot, even though tulikuwa tunanyunyuzia, but jua yenyewe ikaziovercome. Yeah, these were the danias that we had. Some weeds zenye nimengoa asubuhi. Now it's like in the afternoon. Nilizingoa asubuhi, and then I went back to work. Nikafanya tu kazi tu hapa na pale. Yeah. So now sija clear everything kabisa. As you can see, unaona some weeds. So after this I will just be pruning. Nitangoa hizi weeds, and then sinaona after hivi venye mvua imeanza, sukuma zenye zilikuwa zimebaki zenye hazija dry up kabisa zimeanza ku come back. So all I need is kutrim kama hizi. Yeah, as you can see, hizi zimeshika kabisa. Penye mvua imekuja juu, at some point we stopped irrigating them juu tuliona the sun is very hot. Yeah, so as you can see, some zilikuwa zime dry up, but now we are going to take another approach. Atutazipanda chini, that is. I'll be showing you how we are going to do all this. Yeah, so now let's continue kung'oa hizi weeds and then we prepare our shamba. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so now it's some week later. The rain came, kumekuwa kukinyesha, so sukuma zenyewe zili flourish, so we did not manage to plant the other, so we decided to let them be. Yeah, so as you can see, they are very healthy, so we'll just maintain them, and then next time we will be planting them kwa containers like I mentioned. Yeah, so as you can see, when the rain came, right here we have mchicha terere, yeah, zimeanza kutokea, and right here we have the second tomato plant that has remained. We only at the moment zimebaki mbili, so bado it's fruiting but almost drying up. Ikisha dry tutaitoa, but at the moment itaendelea tu kukaa hapo. Yeah, so the next thing that we have at the moment are the beans. Yeah, so now here we have the chilies, and next we have the beans. As you can see, they have flowers, they are flowering. Others have already, they are fruiting. Yeah, so far that's the update. And the next, as you can see, the sukuma and the spinach are doing really well. And right here we have some onions we had planted before, but now they are back. Yeah, so far that's the update. So I'll be sharing with you more videos, update videos. So bye and see you in the next video.